There once was a place called Scratchville, where everything was made of colorful coding blocks. In Scratchville, three best friends named Maya, Jamal, and Leo loved hanging out in the Scratch Lab. That's where ideas became reality and imagination became code. One day, poof, the screen flickered and out jumped the Scratch Cat with sparkles flying around its tail. Creators, are you ready for a super coding challenge? Complete my 3 projects and you'll unlock the golden Scratch badge of creativity, it said with a big smile. The friends shouted, "Yes!"
Yes!
The Scratch Cat handed them each a brand new badge to put on their lab coats. Then it disappeared with a flash of light. First up, Maya giggled and chose a goofy-looking penguin. She wanted to make it dance, so she dragged out a block and said, "When space key pressed," then snapped on a block that made the penguin do the funky chicken dance. But something was missing. "I want glitter," she said. So she added a block that made the penguin leave behind a sparkling trail. And when she clicked the green flag, wham, the penguin started moonwalking across the screen, leaving rainbows everywhere. Next, it was Jamal's turn. He chose a shiny orange fish and decided to make a game. He snapped on 2 blocks. First, arrow keys gives move fish. Then he made it gobble up food on the screen. Every time the fish ate, it made a loud blub, blub, blub sound. But Jamal wasn't done. He watched as Leo added a block that made the fish burp when it ate too much. And they all waited as the fish burped on the screen. Finally, it was Leo's turn. He chose a cool rocket ship and made it zoom across the screen. When the rocket left the atmosphere, he added a backdrop of outer space with stars and planets. Then he made the rocket land on the moon. But something was missing. Just as he was about to add some aliens, the Scratch Cat reappeared. "You completed all my projects," it meowed. "Here's your golden Scratch badge of creativity." The friends cheered and showed off their shiny new badges. The penguin danced, the fish burped, the rocket zoomed, and fireworks filled the sky. They all shouted together, "Scratch isn't just coding, it's magic." The end. What are you going to build next on Scratch?